Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting essentials in place. Charge the TI-84 Plus, install TI Connect CE on your computer, and download the correct OS file for your model. Connect the calculator with a reliable USB cable and confirm it appears in TI Connect CE. Once done, archive important apps or variables to the computer to avoid accidental loss, and close other heavy applications on your PC so transfers won't time out. Now you're ready to start the OS transfer. You'll now perform the core transfer. Open TI Connect CE and choose Send OS or drag the 8ZU file onto your detected calculator. Confirm the file name and press Send. The app will queue and begin transferring. Watch the progress bar and status messages. Some steps take several minutes. Make sure you do not unplug the USB cable, close the program, or put the computer to sleep. Once the transfer finishes, TI Connect CE will verify the installation before you proceed to restart the calculator. Finish by letting the TI-84 reboot fully and then navigate to the About or System menu to confirm the new OS version is installed. You should restore any archived programs or variables from TI Connect CE and run a quick test of functions and graphing. If something goes wrong, if the update fails or the calculator is unresponsive, disconnect, remove, and reinsert batteries to force a reboot, then reconnect and resend the OS. If problems persist, repeat the send operation from TI Connect CE.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.